everybody, so today's video is going to be, am I focused? Am I focused? Birds. Shut the fuck up. Today's video is going to be a fun video that I'm really excited about. These birds. I'm about to fry these hoes right now. I'm going to be doing a horror movie inspired makeup look inspired by The Lost Boys. Oh. That's fitting. So I'm going to be doing a look inspired by The Lost Boys. I have the DVD and this really cool VHS case right here that was like specially made by like a company. And I got this in a subscription box. It has like the United Video 350 for 8 days rental thing. On the back it says don't leave it in the sun, which is really cool. And then it has the green horror tag. But I'm going to be doing a red look inspired by this. And I'm really excited about it. It's going to be... I'm excited. But this video is in collaboration with Krueger. And I will link his channel below. He's doing a really cool Ursula look. And yeah, I'm just really excited. So yes, all right, go check him out. He's really awesome. And he's also from my city too. So I think one day soon we might get together and do like a video together. So that will be really awesome. But yeah, other than that, let's go ahead and get into this look. This is mainly like an eye look. So like we'll do like the face crap later on. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this because I'm really excited about this. So we are zoomed in, as always, and I'm going to be using 3 palettes today. 3. And I'm going to be using the Morphe X Sister Scandal palette. Yeah, I mean, if you're paying attention to shit right now, then you know shit is going on with this one. But yeah, so I'm going to be using that red right there. I really want to use that red. That's like, it's a really good one. So we're going to be using that red today. That's the only one I'm using from here. And then I'm going to be using this red from the Festival palette by Juvia's Place, which is this one up here. And usually the birds are quiet at night. I don't know what the hell is going on. And then this one, Sparks, this red one right here from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the Bling Boss one from the Vault collection. And yeah, so I'm really excited about this look. Like, I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to be using, which one am I going to be using today? I think I'll use the ColourPop Fair 04 for my eyeshadow primer today. And I'm going to take my Morphe brush, this concealer brush. I think this is a concealer brush. This is the M173. And I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids. I can't see shit because I don't have my glasses on, so hopefully I'm in focus. Otherwise, that's not going to be a very good thing. But, yeah, so I'm going to prime these fucking lids, and then we're going to get into this goddamn look, bitch. We're going to go into the Morphe James Charles palette. We're going to go into that one called You're Kidding. That's what I'm going to use first. And, you know, since we're sitting here, and this is mainly an eye look, I am going to talk about the movie The Lost Boys a little bit because, you know, why the fuck not? It's like one of my favorite movies. And yeah, I don't know if this is going to interest anyone. Frankly, I don't give a shit. Like, this is like my channel to do fun shit. If you like it, cool. If you don't, go watch somebody else. But yeah, I've been on YouTube for 8 fucking years. Like, I am not about just like trying to jump on trends and all that crap. Like, I'm just gonna do me, okay? So I'm gonna dip into that red one. And there it is right there. It's a really good red. I will say that. It's a really good one. So I'm dipping into that. I need somewhere to put this shit because it is fucking huge. God damn it. Okay, hold on. I'm like bumping crap. Bitch, come on. Get with it, sister. Sister Scandals. Alright, so I'm popping this bitch over here. Let me get closer right here so you guys can see this shit. It's a really pretty red. I like it. And I'm putting this down first because it's the lightest red that I'm using, and I want it, you know, to be like, you know, the light to the dark, but I don't know what that was, and I don't know what that was. Yeah, alright, so let's get into the movie, because I want to talk about the movie a little bit. Actually, before we get into the movie, let's talk about the motherfucking CW. The motherfucking CW, I don't know if you know this, I don't know if you pay attention, if you are a horror fan and you pay attention to like news. And I'm going to be doing like this is going to go up. So I did a look similar to this for Valentine's Day, but it was like a rounded look. This one I want to go like really sharp, really edgy. But the CW is actually rebooting or remaking, whatever the fuck, The Lost Boys into a TV show. Now when I heard about this, like actually it was like 4 years ago when they were talking about this, when vampires were like a thing still. They were gonna like redo it, and it was supposed to be like, it was supposed to take place in the 80s, and it was like supposed to be like an anthology, and I was like, okay, that could work a little bit, you know, just to do something like really interesting with it. And then now they've decided to go like the whole Vampire Diaries, which I liked, the Vampire Diaries route, Twilight route. I did not like Twilight, but they're trying to go that route now. So it's really irritating. It's supposed to be like a romance. Like, is that a fucking gnat? Bitch, where the fuck did you come from? There are just so many sounds in this video today. This is not an ASMR video. Yeah. But yeah, so the CW is deciding that they want to stick their foot up this movie's ass and do this whole Twilight Vampire Diaries thing, and it's supposed to be a teen drama with vampires in it, and it just sounds like shit. It does. It sounds like crap. They like changing a lot of things, and things that they don't need to, and then yeah, it's just it's not gonna work. And you know, I'll watch it to see like if it's alright, but like it's just, I don't know. I don't think it's even gonna last, because like the Vampire Diaries like lasted a while, but like that was like a trend that was happening, and then people cared for a little bit longer. But I personally don't think that it's gonna last. I just don't. So I guess we'll see what happens with it. I don't know. It'll probably get one season, but yeah. And I keep telling myself, you know, as long if it takes place in the 80s, I'll be a little bit okay. But I have a feeling that it's not. And that would be a really good thing for them to do, because that's so in right now, is to have it take place in the 80s. But they're probably not, because it's the fucking CW, and they don't know what the fuck they're doing. So yeah, they're always fucking everything up, especially with the Vampire Diaries. Yeah. And the originals. So that's probably going to be a suck fest. Yeah, so yeah, I guess we'll see when I watch it, if I like it. I don't know. But I have the red down now, the one from the James Charles palette called You're Kidding. So I have that one. And now I'm going to go into the Juvia's one. This one's called Izafa. Right here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this one on. Not too much, because the star of the show is the Sparks one, because it is so pretty. It's like dark, and it just, I don't know, I really like what it does to this red from the other Morphe palette. But yeah, so I'm going to be dipping into that right here. You get some of it on my brush. These brushes are going to be a bitch to clean, and so is this face, because this is going to stain, and I know it. So yeah, so we're going in with this darker one right here. It's just like a slad, you know, a slad? What the fuck is a slad? It's slightly darker than this one from the Morphe palette. But back to The Lost Boys. This movie came out in 1987, and it stars Kiefer Sutherland and Corey Haim and Corey Feldman, and it's a really good movie. If you like vampires, and you like 80s, and you like cheese, and you like gore, you will really like this movie if you haven't already seen it. But I would really recommend everybody watch it because it's just a lot of fun, and I really don't know how they're going to capture it in the television reboot. Like, I have no idea, so I guess we'll see. But yeah, so I'm putting that right here. I really like the movie. When I was younger, when I had first watched it, it was like one of the ones that it was on VHS, and I would watch it a lot. So the movie is about these two brothers and their single mother who moved to this town, and it's like a beachside town, and they soon discover that things are not what they seem. More the teenage boys discover that things are not what they seem, and there is a lot of like homosexual things, gay shit in this movie, and I think it was put there on purpose. And I feel like if the reboot doesn't touch on that at all, then they can suck a giant dick, because that is like a huge thing in the movie to me. Like, if I don't know if anybody else notices that, but like there's a lot of like homoerotic shit in it, and it's one thing I love about it. But yeah, so there's a lot of gay shit in it, and I like it, and it's spooky, and it's hilarious, and it's just such a good movie. It is such a good movie. But yeah, so these boys, soon discover shit ain't what it seems. And we have the younger brother who discovers this little like comic book shop, and he finds these two friends who are the Frog Brothers, who I love, and they sort of, tell him that, there's shit going down with vampires, and he's like, yeah, whatever, fucking weirdos. But he soon discovers that, shit's fucked up too. And then his brother starts hanging out with these like motorcycle vampires, and I think like the Vampire Diaries got a lot of inspiration from that, especially the opening scene of the movie. If you watch the first season of the Vampire Diaries, more specifically the first episode of it, you can like tell like the first 10 seconds or like 20 seconds of it, that's like freaking Lost Boys. That's why I love the first season of the Vampire Diaries so much, because it had that horror element to it, and I feel like it lost it. And if they would have kept it, I think it would have been a better show, to be honest. But that's how shit is. If only I worked in like television, I would do things so much better. I would. But yeah, so I really like the movie. It's a lot of fun. I know there's a lot of people out there who really don't like it. They think it's like really stupid. But to each their own. To each their own. I really like it. It's got a lot of gore. It's got a really cool twist, and it's really fun. Yeah. But yes, I'm actually thinking about it right now. That would be a really cool idea to like do like makeup and like horror movie reviews. That sounds is somebody doing that? I gotta find out. But that would be really fun to start doing. I don't know, let me know if you guys would like to see that. Okay, so I'm going in with the Sparks color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the last red I'm using. It's this really dark, really pretty red. It is pigmented. I mean, you can tell right here. That's where it's at. This dark red. It is so good. I love this color so much. It's like my favorite color from the Bling Boss palette. And then my other favorite one is from the Armed and Gorgeous one. It's called VIP. It is this beautiful like silver white. Oh my god, it's fucking amazing. But I'm just tucking this right here. I'm basically like bringing all this, like this little triangle right here is all going to be dark, and then I'm going to go do that silver look over here. Now we ask ourselves, is this a wearable look? Yeah, I'd say so. It's a Valentine's Day look. I mean, look at it, it's red as a motherfucker, but I think it is. I think you could probably wear this somewhere. Like Walmart, to get some like late night snacks, or to murder somebody in a parking lot. I don't know. That's up to you. I think I want to use VIP from the Armed and Gorgeous Jaclyn Hill palette. Go on to the VIP. Look at that shirt. That is fucking beautiful. That is fucking stunning. And put it here. And move this a little bit closer over here. Yeah. This is the one one I used for the Valentine's Day one. Look at that. That's fucking pigmented, bitch. Like, what the fuck? Okay, so now we're back and wow, these eyes are red. Oh my gosh, look at those. Damn. Wow, those eyes are red. Woo. Are they too dark? No. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with the Muse Cosmetics Red Liquid Lipstick that I, used in the watermelon video. This is a really good red, and it smells like Kool-Aid. As I said in the other one. Can you guys see? Okay, so after adding that red lipstick, I went ahead and added some paint from the Wet n Wild paint palettes. I added this dark red right here, and right now I'm going to add a little bit of this regular red to the middle to add a little bit more of a lighter color right there. I just felt like the other liquid lipstick was a little too red, like too of a pinky red. So that's why I wanted to add a little bit of this. So, Now I know you're probably not supposed to put these on your lips or whatever, but this is just for a video. I'm not fucking going anywhere. So I'm gonna put it over here too. Just to add a little bit of lightness back, so the lips aren't so dark. Yeah, ooh, this looks cute. Ooh, I like this. So you can leave it like this, or you can go ahead and add like blood dripping, which is what I'm gonna do right now, and that will complete the look. But yeah, this is the look. It's cute. It's red. Lost Boys? Yeah, with the blood. Yeah, it is. So yeah, so let me go ahead and add the blood. Ooh, that's a pretty lip though. Look at that. That's pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and add to the blood now. I'm gonna use this detailing brush from Morphe. This is the M443. I'm gonna use this. Yeah. And I'm gonna go into that dark red from this paint palette from Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna try my best to do like a blood dripping thing. We'll see how this works, cause okay, so far it's good. You guys can't even see. What the fuck am I doing? Hold on, let me get up a little bit higher. There we go. Okay. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, yeah, this turned into like a straight up vampire look, like real quickly. This is my Lost Boys inspired look. Yes. And yeah, so that is it for today. I will see you guys next time with another video. Go check out Terror's video. I will link it below. Or you can just go to his channel and watch it. And yeah, I'll link his channel and the video below. Yes. He's awesome. He's amazing. And this is really cool. He suggested that we do a collab, and I was really excited about it because I'm always really weird about asking people to do like collabs and shit. I don't know. I feel like I'm a weirdo. But yeah, so I will see you all next time. Bye. Oh, and let me know what you guys think about that whole horror movie and makeup thing, like doing my makeup while talking about horror movies. I don't know. Maybe some of you are not into it. Maybe some of you are. Whatever. Yeah. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.